Yeah, so after the procedure it was very red, but I was given a few painkillers and they were fine. I didn't even use all of the painkillers in the end.
Here is the last photo taken after the last implant was made, and then it was time to head home. Now, I had lots of medication in me at this point, so I was feeling very merry. The whole experience was pretty pleasurable, and I was feeling really good. Here are some of the first photos at the end of my first day after the implants, and as you can see, swelling is minimal, the insertion sizes are tiny, and it was overall a really good experience. And then we were off basically home to spray my hair every half an hour for the first 4 days. And then after that, you only spray your hair whenever you need it. They gave me a bag of goodies, painkillers, which I never actually needed, the saline solution, the sprayer, the pillow protectors, and pretty much everything you need.
I'm back in HRBR for my checkup the day after my procedure. Let's see what the doctors have to say. No pain at all. My head feels slightly numb. But that's kind of it, and there's my head kind of itches now and again, which kind of drives me a bit mad. But if you have your spray bottle near and you spray like this, it the itching goes away, so it's fine.
Well, that was a day. Exciting, I suppose. Now it's off home to spray my hair for the next 12 hours. You know, so yeah, very exciting. You haven't got another mirror that I can see the back, because I can't see.
Yeah, that's super. You can't see anything at all there. Your stitch is very well hidden.
Back to work tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to seeing what it brings. You know, I suppose I've been living with trying to style it one way and trying to style it another way. Now it's an element where I'll probably, you know, I'll have more options. You know, I'm looking forward to that.
It's a week later, and Mark's back at HRBR to get his stitches removed. The scar left on the donor area is so fine that once it has healed properly, it will be virtually invisible, even with short hair.
It's less than 24 hours since I had my surgery in Hair Restoration Blackrock. I was quite concerned about what I might look like in the following day, 4 days, 10 days after, whether it would be noticeable to friends and social events. That was causing me a lot of anxiety, so I'm surprised to see that pretty much I came home straight after the surgery, and my wife and kids and even my sister-in-law were there, and no one noticed except for my daughter saying, did I dye my hair because my hair was wet? So what you can actually see is, I can't see it without my glasses, but you can actually see the grafts that are there on the front. I gather will take full out in a couple of weeks, and normal hairs will grow in then over the preceding months. I think it might even take up to 6 months. I'm very happy with how that's turned out.
We get home, and every 20 minutes for the next 12 hours, Dad's head needs to be sprayed over and over with saline solution to keep it hydrated and clean.
Oh, it's not painful though, is it? Really?
And that is how you make someone look beautiful.
That's today done, and in about a couple of months, so 6 months?
6 months.
6 months should look, I should have the whiff.
The whiff?
The whiff.
No, it's called the quiff.
Quiff.
This is me 2 days after my hair transplant. And as you can see, it's not that scabby whatsoever. A little bit of redness, but compared to other clinics or people that get hair transplants in our clinics, it's a lot less ugly. I've been spraying my head every 30 minutes with this solution, and even the day was great. Really happy with how everything's gone so far, and I'm back working already, which is great. So looking forward to the results. As you can see, very little scarring or scabbing there as well, which is brilliant. And so can't wait to continue the process really. So I am 2 weeks post hair transplant surgery. This is it right now. I'm due a shower to get all the scabs kind of off. But you know, as far as I'm concerned, if I walked into a store or a supermarket, people wouldn't really know that I got a hair transplant. It's very inconspicuous, which is great. And I'm just looking forward to a bit of growth. I think the hairline is very natural, and I can't wait for me to have a full head of hair again. So
I feel great. I feel delighted. I'm ecstatic with the result. They seem very pleased with it. It's amazing, really, because I feel like if I would have suddenly had to go and do something tomorrow, I'd be fine to do it. It's so good. I can't tell you how good it is. Day 4, and as you can see, I haven't done anything with it. And I've just done the school run. I'm on the range. The hair is doing well. I mean, I'm loving the way it's going. It's going great. If you happen to have to appear on television at any stage, you'll be fine to do so. Or in front of a group of people and have a chat or whatever it is you have to do, you'll be fine to do it. First day back at work. I've just come out of the shower, and as you can see, the hair is good. I haven't had any pain for a few days. It's incredible. Day 10, and I'm just outside my doctor's, and I'm going to have the stitches taken out. I had them out, and it was, lovely. It all feels fine. In a few more days, I can get my hair cut, which is amazing. But yes, those stitches out, everything feels, look, I can do that. I mean, that's perfectly normal. I mean, it's extraordinary, really, when you think about what they can do. I mean, look at that, day 11, and I mean, I'm so excited.